In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Genesis crystals in Genshin Impact. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can manage your Genesis crystals by going over to the shop, and in here you can see how much you have. So when you go to any of these tabs, they will be displayed at the top right corner of the screen. The only way to acquire Genesis crystals is by purchasing them from the in-game store. You have third-party sellers and websites that allow you to gift Genesis crystals to your other users, but I'm not going to go too in-depth about them. So after you purchase any amount of Genesis crystals, they will appear over here. What you have to do afterwards is to click on the option here, right besides your actual Primogems. So when you click on this plus sign, you can now convert Genesis crystals into Primogems. If you try to do a specific action and you don't have enough Primogems, you will also see this pop up, Exchange Primogems. So now you can input how many of your Genesis crystals you would like to convert. So you can use the options here to add 100, remove 100, or set it to the max. So let's say, for example, you purchased 980 Genesis crystals. They will be available here. And then you can go over to the plus sign. Let's say you want to have just enough for one POE. You can input 160. And after you click on exchange, out of those 980 Genesis crystals that you have, 160 will be converted into actual Primogems that you can use. Some items can only be purchased using Genesis crystals specifically, so keep that in mind. If you want to purchase one of these bundles or possibly a character outfit, do not convert your crystals into Primogems. Instead, just click on the specific outfit, you will see the amount, and then you click on purchase. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on the distinction between crystals and Primogems, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.